Hello traders, in today's video, we're discussing currency pairs with high liquidity and why they matter for your trading. This is an important concept every forex trader should understand regardless of experience level, whether newbie or advanced. What does high liquidity mean on the forex chart? High liquidity pairs tend to display smoother price action with fewer gaps and erratic spikes. You will also notice tighter bid-ask spreads and more consistent candle formations compared to exotic or low volume pairs. Pairs like the Euro USD, which is on the screen, account for roughly 24% of daily forex volume. USD Japanese yen at around 13%, Great British Pound USD is about 9%, Australian dollars USD is near 7%, and USD CHF is at approximately 4%. And these are the most liquid currency pairs in the market. The primary benefit of trading high liquidity pairs is lower transaction costs through tighter spreads. Its execution is also faster, with less slippage, and price movements tend to be more predictable and technically clean, which can be helpful to forex traders. These pairs are driven by the largest economies in the world, which means there's always significant volume behind the moves. Understanding liquidity is relevant for all traders, from scalpers who depend on tight spreads to swing traders who need reliable price levels. The main limitation of this concept, however, is that high liquidity does not eliminate risk. Major news events can still cause sudden volatility, and no pair is immune to unexpected or unexpected moves. For more detail, the full article is in the linked in the description below on the Forex Geek. Please subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications for more educational content.